Children of God, Saint Thomas Aquinas was a towering figure in history, not because of his height, but because of his mind. He was nicknamed the Damned Ox by classmates because he was quiet and slow to speak. Yet his teacher, Saint Albert the Great, predicted that his learning would one day bellow across the world. He came from a noble family, but he chose a life of simplicity with the Dominicans. His writings later shaped Catholic theology, philosophy, and even modern discussions on reason and faith. Another fun fact about Saint Thomas Aquinas is that he dictated several works at the same time to different secretaries. He believed that faith and reason were not enemies, but partners in the search for truth. Near the end of his life, after a mystical experience, he said that everything he had written seemed like straw compared to what God had revealed to him. Yet that straw became the foundation of centuries of learning. Saint Thomas shows us that the human mind, when open and disciplined, becomes fertile ground for wisdom.